Today we are going to draw an isometric drawing as you can see on the screen. To start the isometric drawing, we're going to first draw our horizontal baseline. This line can be of any length. Pick any point on this line. From this point we have picked, two lines are going to come out. And those two lines are going to be inclined at 30 degrees to this horizontal baseline. So we're going to use our 30-60 degree set square. This side here is 30 and this side is 60. On this line, the distance from here to here is 94 millimeters. Let me measure that out. Okay. There's a small block here. There is a small block here. The length of this block is 13 millimeters. From this point, the distance from here to here is 60 millimeters, as shown here. So the distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. So from here to here, on this block here, from here to here, the length of here to here is 10. Why? Because on this top part, is the distance from here to here is 60. So from on the somewhere here that is 20, there's another place here that is 20, and there's a last place here that is also 20, because 60 minus 40 is 20. The distance from here to here is 10. So 20 here minus the 10 here. This was this 10 horizontal block here. Okay. On this small block here, on this rectangular block here, the distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. Why? Because on top, you see that the distance from here to here is 60. And also, as you also see, there's another distance that they wrote 20, 20, and the last one is 20 because 60 minus 40 is 20. This 20 has a distance from here to here is 10, but it is shown here. And then, which means the other side too, this small rectangular part of the block too, will also be 10 because 20 minus 10 is 10. So I'm going to mark out 10 here. Now from this part, we're going to draw a horizontal line all the way here. Okay? From here to here is 10. From here to here, there's another place here that is shown here. From here to here is 10. So I'm going to mark out 10 again. Now from here to here is 20, and we're going to mark that. So from here to here now is 20. From this point, there's a line that comes up. And from this point, there's a line that comes up. Okay. The length of these two lines are 35 millimeters, as you can see. So I'm going to measure 35 millimeters. Okay. And then we can join these 2 points together with a straight line. From this point, there's a line that goes in like this. The length of that line is 15 millimeters. From this point, there's a line that comes down to touch this line that we've drawn. It's not shown in the drawing, but this line is just for it's just to help us understand which part we're actually drawing. So from this point, there's a line that comes down to touch this line. And because we know we measure the distance of 10 millimeters, the length from here to here is 10 millimeters. Then I'll erase this part of the line out. Okay. From this point, there's a line that comes up. The length of that line is 16 millimeters, you can see here. From this point too, there's also a line that goes up, and it also has a length of 16 millimeters. Then I can simply draw a straight line to join these 2 points together. Okay. On this line now, the distance from here to wherever this block is 94 minus 15 minus 13. So the length of this line here is 94 minus 15 minus 13. And, and the answer is 66. Okay. So from here to here, I can draw a line to join these 2 points together. From this point, there's a line that goes upwards. From this point, there's a line that goes upwards. From this point, there's a line that goes upwards. All three lines are 57 millimeters. So I'm going to draw 3 lines upwards. Then I'm going to join these 3 places together, these 3 points together with straight lines. Okay. From this point, there's a line that comes down like this. The length of this line is 45 minus 13. The length of this line here is 45 minus 13. So 45 minus 13 is 32. It's not 22. So from this point, there's a line that joins these 2 points together. So I'll just connect them with a straight line. Now erase this line. Okay. From this point, there's a line that goes in like this. The length of this line is 20 millimeters. Why? Because 60 millimeters minus 20 and minus 20 minus 20 equals to 20. The 320 here will add to give 60. So from here to here is 20. From this point, there's a line that comes like this. The length of this line is 30. From this point, there's a line that goes like this. From this point, there's a line that goes like this. The length of this line is 20 millimeters. From this point, there's a line that comes down. The length of this line is 30 millimeters. It's the same as this one, so the length of this line is 30 millimeters. From this point, there's a line that goes this way. The length of this line is 20 millimeters. From this point, there's a line that goes this way, that comes like this. The length of this line is the same as the length of this line, which is 13 millimeters. From this point, there's a line that comes in like this. The length of this line is the same as the length of this line, which is 10 millimeters. From this point, there's a line that comes this way. The length of this line is 45 minus 13, and that is 32. And I can join these 2 points like this with a straight line. Okay. From this point here, let me erase this side. From this point here, there's a line that comes down. We'll just draw a straight line down. From this point also, there's a line that comes down. So from this point to this point, there's a line that comes there. The length of that line is 30, because from here to here is half of the line. So if this is half, that means the full length of the line is 15 times 2, and that's 15, and that's 30. The same line comes from here and moves this way. Next, I'll join these 2 points together with a straight line. And then I'm going to join this point and this point with a straight line. So to get where this line will end up, so to get where we'll join these two, where we'll draw this line at, we'll first of all draw a line from here to here. We'll measure the length of the line as 40 millimeters. We measure the length of the line as 60 because the length from here to here. No, measure the length of the line as 40 because the length from here to here is 40. When we get the length of 40, we'll not then join the 2 points together. So using our set square, we're going to extend this line a bit. After joining the two parts, the 2 points together, we're going to erase this line because it's not needed. Um, we're going to measure the length of 40 millimeters. And then from this point and this point, we're going to join them together. The line does not have to touch this point because this place is blocking it. So the remaining thing now is to thicken out our work and to dimension it. Okay, so we're done. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, and look out for more other videos. There are other videos on the channel, like drawings on this one and drawings on this spanner. So watch for more other videos.